Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a rows on your table in Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To add the rows, first I just going to create a table. So you can select the insert option here and go to the table option here. You can create a table how the rows and columns that you want. You just easily create a table. Just select the table here, then click on the highlighter option here. You can make colors from it. You can also use the table property of color option. You just click on the insert row and column here by choosing this option. I just typing here as row and just click on that, right click on here. You can select the option as insert row or insert column. So here you can see the lines has been roughly not showing here because my computer problem, some recording problem. So you can easily select just click on any particular row or any particular cell on that table. You can choose the highlighter option to color the line of the rows, or you can also choose like this, and you can also highlight the whole row or column by using this particular option. Now you can see the all lines. So you can easily enable you can just select it, and you can also change the color by using this option. You can insert row, just clicking on any rows or the cell, just click it, right click here, just insert row above or below. You can use these two options to insert the row easily on your table on your Google Docs. So you can try this option and use the highlighter too. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the Google Docs PC, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.